my boys and girls, we're going to be going over how to write a sentence correctly. First, what you need to do is think of a sentence that you want to write. So think in your head of a sentence that you would want to write. Okay, once you come up with a sentence you're going to write, I want you to repeat it to yourself. For example, we're going to do the sentence, I love going to school. Okay, so I'm going to repeat it to myself once again so I remember what words I'm going to be using. I love going to school. How many words is that? I love going to school. That's 5 words. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 5 lines so I remember that I have to write 5 words. I love going to school. Okay, now that I know I have 5 words in my sentence, I want to remember what a sentence needs so that it's correct. Does anybody know what a complete sentence needs? That's right. It needs a capital, it needs spacing, and it needs punctuation. So I'm going to start my sentence. And my first word is I. So what am I going to do with the letter I? I'm going to write it as a capital. To write a capital, you have to start at the top and go down to the bottom. I. Then I want to think about what was my next word? Love. But what did I have to do here between I and love? I had to add a space. So then I love. After the next word, what am I going to use? That's right, another space. I love going. What comes next? I love going space to. Then did you notice that I don't have room to write another word here? So what do you think I need to do? Do I try to fit it in right here? No, you're going to go to the next line. I love going to school. So I'm going to write the word school here. All of my other letters, except for I, were capital. We have lowercase letters. Lowercase letters are going to go underneath the dotted line. When I get to the end of my sentence, am I done? Remember the 3 things you needed to make a complete sentence. A capital, space, and punctuation. We still have to add punctuation at the end of our sentence. This sentence is a telling sentence, so I'm going to write a period to let people know that this is a telling sentence. So remember, when you are writing a sentence, you need to have a capital, you need to have space between your words, and you need punctuation at the end.